What's going on, everyone? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and I want to welcome you back to another brand new video. If you are new to the channel, let me tell you a little about it. On this channel, we talk about everything finance, stocks, investing, and money related. Just remember, as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am not your financial advisor. And just remember that investing is not a gamble, but it is a risk, and you need to make sure you are doing your own due diligence when investing in any stocks. So, if that's something that interests you, if you guys wouldn't mind just smashing that subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, turn that notification bell on. That way you get notified every time I post a video, and also smash that like button for me. If you guys are new to investing or want to try out a different platform, Webull is having a promotion right now. If you use the link down in the description below, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each when you download and deposit $100 into your Webull account. If that's something that interests you, make sure you check out that link in the description below. So in today's video, we are doing another stock analysis on Plug Power. Ticker symbol is PLUG. Plug Power is currently trading at $23.79 at the time I am making this video. Their CEO is Andrew J. Marsh. I think it is very important to look at the CEO before investing in the company. So let me give you a little bit about his background. So he was a technical director at Bell Laboratories. He is CEO and co-founder at Valier Power, and now he is the CEO of Plug Power. So he has a lot of experience in this industry, and that is important to the company because he is in charge of it, so that is a very important factor. Okay, so what is exactly Plug Power? So Plug Power is an American company engaged in the development of hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries in equipment and electric vehicles. Plug Power is currently headquartered in Latham, New York. And the reason for the recent drop in Plug Power's share price was because they had a public offering at $22.25 per share. So that is the reason for the recent drop. And if you guys watch my former videos, I actually recommended Plug Power when it was at $7 per share. And now I am doing another stock analysis on it. So if you would have invested at that time, you would have more than tripled your money if you would have listened to my advice. But remember, make sure you're doing your own due diligence when investing because it is definitely a risk. So looking at some stats for Plug Power, they currently have 295,506 total runtime hours. They have 32,793,215 hydrogen fills, and they have 6,716,160 pounds of CO2, which is carbon dioxide, removed in 2020. So Plug Power bases its company on 5 things. The first one is zero emission power. Hydrogen fuel cells produce no harmful emissions, eliminating the costs associated with handling and storing toxic materials like battery acid or diesel fuel. The only byproducts are heat and water. 2. Robust reliability. Hydrogen fuel cells technology has proven itself against tough conditions, including cold environments as low as -40 degrees and hurricanes. Okay, number 3 is improved efficiency. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, hydrogen fuel cells are between 40 to 60% energy efficient. Number 4, scalable. These products may be engineered precisely to meet a variety of customer power needs, such as electric vehicles, material handling fleets, or stationary power. And number 5, lower operational costs. They eliminate the need to change, charge, and manage batteries, subsequently reducing labor, time, space, and peak power demands. The unit runs longer than lead-acid batteries and can be fueled in as little as 2 minutes. This could mean up to 84% lower operational costs for companies. Let's take a look into Plug Power's financials. In their investor relations presentation, Plug Power states that they are on track for its 2024 vision, which is $1.2 billion in annual sales, $200 million in operating income, and $250 million in adjusted EBITDA. If they can reach this goal, that will be a huge plus for Plug Power, and that will drive their stock all the way up through 2024. Let's take a closer look into Plug Power's third quarter revenue for 2020. So they reported gross billings of $125.6 million, reflecting growth of 106% year over year and 73.4% sequentially, reflecting strong performance in the quarter, raising 2020 gross billings guidance to $325 million to $330 million from $310 million. They hosted second annual virtual Plug Symposium, showcasing strategic priorities in green hydrogen, market expansion, gigafactory, and reaffirming revenue and EBITDA targets for 2024. They announced strategic partnerships with Brookfield Energy and Apex Clean Energy to source renewable electricity and build liquid green hydrogen plants, and they were able to raise recent capital positions of over $725 million in cash to execute on its growth initiatives. Let's go take a look at Plug Power's charts. So looking at their 5-year chart here, we can see a roundabout bottom that exponentially increases. Now moving over to their 6-month chart, we can see a continual uptrend with higher lows each time. As I am circling here, we have a double bottom that appears right here, and we consistently see an uptrend, which shows very bullish signs. Is Plug Power a buy? So, after doing all our due diligence, we rate this a long-term buy. Within the next 5 years, we will see, and we will put a price target on Plug Power at $90 per share in the next 5 years, which will be a huge increase. But if they hit their 2024 growth goals that they are trying to hit, we will see that price. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you share this video, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all of you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!